Hey everybody, just doing a little bit of cross tuning today on my E string. It's a lot of fun. You keep everything in standard tuning except your open E gets tuned down to a D, so it's going down a whole step. It's the same note that you have on 5 of your A string. So if you want, take a moment, tune down to that note, and then jump back into the video. We're going to play some chords, and we're going to play the chords to 𝐻𝗴𝗲. I've been messing around with some 𝐻𝗴𝗲. And we're going to go over a very simple way to play this chord progression. You're going to need a D chord. That's just 7. Open, open, open. Don't forget that E string's retuned. For your G chord, we're going to play 4. Open, open, open. And for your A chord, we're going to play 6-2. Open, open. Makes a nice kind of 𝐁𝗵𝗶𝗀 sort of sound. So you've got your D chord, 7, open, open, open. G chord, 4, open, open, open. A chord, 6-2, open, open. And now you're ready to play the chord progression. So the A part progression of 𝐻𝗴𝗲 starts with D. Now to G, A, back to D, repeat. G, A, D. B part is going to go to G first, then A, D. Back to G. Repeats G, A, D. G, A, D. And the last B part has an extra little lick that happens at the end. So we play just a little longer on that D chord. All right, let's try it. I'm going to play the chord progression and try not to mess it up. But the great thing about these types of chords is they already have this sort of dissonant sound. And if you play the wrong one, it's going to fit pretty well. So I'm going to try not to play the wrong one. But don't you worry about if you play the wrong one. They all go together pretty well. And if you are not up for playing these chords yet, you can play 7, open, open, open through the whole thing. And it's going to be fine. All right, here we go. I'm going to play the chord progression, then I'm going to play the melody. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's some 𝐻𝗴𝗲. Might be a fun tune for you to learn. It's not too hard to play. once you wrap your head around the cross-tuned E string. And also gives you some chords you can go try on anything in D. You know, you could use this whiskey before breakfast if you want to. St. Anne's Rio. Yeah. If you want to get fancy about it, you can walk down 7, 6, 4, 2. It's that meow, 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 meow. And if you watch the last video I put out playing old-time chords in the key of D, you'll notice some overlap. We're using the same chord shapes as that last video, if I recall correctly. But the difference is we now have this cross-tuned E string that takes it a whole new place. I hope you have fun with that. Feel free to ask questions down in the comments. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything, and click that like button so that the algorithm will show this to other people who want to learn this kind of stuff. And if you're on Facebook, follow this page and also click that like button and share for the same reason. All right, everybody. See you in the next video. Bye.